Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to show all the explicit content on your Steam profile and on the store so that everything is enabled and you can see actually what your friends are calling you. Now the first step is to open up Steam. Now head down to the search bar and open up Steam. From there we go to the top right where a profile appears, we go to view my profile and we're going to the account details. Now inside the account details we're actually going to the store preferences, and inside the store preferences we're already seeing the mature content filtering. Now here you should tick all these boxes to indicate which store products and content you would like to see on Steam. Now here you should check all these features, so don't leave them unchecked. Now you need to check them, and from there here we scroll down till we find the community content preferences, and here you should language preferences choose to do not filter the strong profanity and or the slurs. Now here you also do not filter text from your Steam friends, and that should be it. Now make sure to fully close down Steam and restart your computer before this takes place, and then you have unfiltered your Steam application. If you still need questions answered or if this tutorial has helped you, leave a comment down below, leave a like and subscribe. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.